Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a video on how to make a paper chocolate. First of all, I have taken a paper of length and breadth 15 cm. Then I have marked the measurements to make the chocolate, and also I am cutting the extra part. I have used this craft paper which comes with various colors. It's cheap and also good for crafting. Now I'll discuss about the measurements required to make the chocolate. Here I am making 6 green blocks. And yes, this was a requested video by Swat Mukherjee. I have already posted a video on this using cardboard. You can see the link given in description. Now I am marking 6 red blocks. If you want to have this picture, then you can take it from my Instagram account. You can find me on Instagram as Geetanjali_K3, or you can check it on description. It's not necessary for you to do this. Just for your better understanding, I am explaining it using different colors. And one thing, instead of using paper, if you use chart paper, then also you can make a nice paper chocolate. Rest the choice is yours. So these green blocks are for cutting and folding of that part, and the red one is just for making folds. Now the size of single chocolate blocks is of length 2.5 cm and breadth 2.7 cm. The green blocks are all of 0.5 cm, and the same size is for red areas. The blue parts are of size 0.2 cm or 2 mm. There are total 10 blocks. The distance between these two parts is 5 cm. Same you have to keep for the other side. Take the paper and turn the blank part and apply brown oil pastel on it and blend it using cotton swab or paper napkin. Instead of doing this, you can simply use brown color paper. Now make a crease according to the lines and fold the paper, but don't fold the middle part where choco bars will be placed. Like this will get the marks, so there will be no problem to place the choco bars in correct position. Cut the blocks using paper knife. Now cut the whole blocks on one side of the paper and then using glue, secure all the foldings. You can use MR Fevicol glue, but if you use SH Fevicol glue, then it will keep the paper hard and it will not let the paper fold easily. Close all the openings, and this is all you have to do to make the bar. It's time to make small blocks. For this, first make a line of length 2 cm and using protractor make 2 other lines of breadth 2.2 cm, and after that rub the extra lines. Now place the protractor at one edge and mark 2 points of 25° and 75°. Then using that point, make 2 lines. Do the same process on all other edges. After that, mark a distance of 0.4 cm from all the sides and then draw lines using that distance. You can see here, I am marking some black portions, that is for foldings. Using paper knife, cut out the paper. Carefully cut it, otherwise your hand will get wounded, or you can cut the extra part of the paper. Now cut only one side of the black part as I have shown and then fold it. Again use oil pastel on the blank part and blend it using paper napkin. It's better if you use color paper, and please don't use acrylic paint as the paper are very thin. According to the lines, fold all the 4 sides and using glue on the small folds, secure all the corner sides. So like this you have to make the choco bars, and using glue on the small bars, attach it according to the space allotted for them. Look, isn't it looking like a real chocolate? Did you like this? Share your thoughts below on comment box, and thanks for watching.